Hello guys, this is Pankaj Kumar from Everything Programming Activity. In this session, let's see the browser navigation method, like using the browser navigation to specify page, using the get method or navigate method, which kind of do something, or using the back button or go back previous page, using the forward button, hitting the refresh button on the browser. So pretty much basic steps. I already set up properties for Chrome driver using the system.set property. You can see, and we are launching instance, and we are launching the instance of Chrome driver. So over here. So when we launch the object, it kind of new instance of the Chrome browser. It's and let's take that instance. Let's see the Google using driver dot get and provide the Google path here. https colon double slash www.google.com slash. Whenever we provide the path of the for get method or navigate method, make sure we also provide http or https whatever protocol. Many times you forget that. So at this point we expect uh, that page to go to Google, and then just for visual purpose, let's print the title of the page. So let's print the title. Driver dot get title. Using this method, we can print the title of the page, which will give us title of the page. So now at this point, let's navigate to Facebook page using navigate dot to method. So driver, let's use write the script. Driver dot navigate dot to and https colon double slash w.facebook.com. So let's provide, so both get and navigate, they have default sync added. So whatever, what I mean to say that it when it go to Google page, it will not immediately go to next page. It will wait for some times until the page is loaded, and sometimes for navigation to both of them have some default syncated. So it will wait until page is loaded, then it will go to next method. So over here also let's print the title of the page. Driver dot get title. Then then let's hit the back button. So driver dot sorry, it will driver dot navigate dot back button. It will take the browser of previous page, and let's get the title of the page. So print the title of the page, driver dot get title. Again, let's hit the forward button. Driver dot navigate dot forward, sorry, dot forward, and which will take the driver to next page. So let's again print the title of the page. Sorry, driver dot get title. Sorry, it will get the page shows of, so get title. Now it will get the title of the page. In the output we can see how the navigation is happening. So and for refresh we will use driver dot navigate dot refresh. So driver dot it get, it will navigate the page of it will navigate the Google page, then it will print the title of the page, then it will again navigate to Facebook page, then it will print Facebook title, then again it will click on back button, and again it will print the title of back page, then it will click on forward button, and then it will print the title of the page, then it will click on refresh button. So let's run the script, run it. Okay, and it's launched the Google application, and it see launch the Facebook, go back again forward, and it refresh the page. Then close the browser and see the output result. You can see. So that's it, guys. If you are new in our video, so subscribe it and press the bell icon to get more latest update. Thank you for watching. I hope this video will be very helpful to you. If you have any question, comment me below. Thank you, guys. Thank you once again.